One of the most central questions around this coronavirus pandemic is how bad will this get? And an Emory infectious disease expert thinks he knows when the peak will be. But in order to understand that, we have to put some information in context. My name is Joseph and this is AJC in Context. Now, our wonderful reporter, Helena Olivero, has a full story on this, so if you would like to read her work or you just don't want to watch me, there will be a link to her full story. Now, for this video, we'll only be talking about Georgia's specific numbers, not national. That being said, as of April 1st, the number of confirmed coronavirus cases is over 4,600, and there are more than 130 deaths. And Dr. Carlos Del Rio, a professor at Emory University, thinks he knows when the peak will hit here in Georgia. Dr. Del Rio says the number of COVID-19 deaths will peak on April 23rd, and an estimated 84 people will die just that day. But that's only if two things happen. Number one is adequate social distancing, and number two is more testing. Dr. Del Rio went so far as to say, "I tell people my phrase is, let's erase April. The most important thing we can do is stay home. Staying home saves lives." His model predicts that there will be a shortage of 755 ICU beds on April 22nd, which is considered the peak day for hospital resource needs. And speaking of that model, in a conference call with reporters, Dr. Del Rio said his estimate is based on predictions from the Institute of Health Metrics and Evaluation, and it's, quote, "probably the best modeling group there is in the United States," he says. Which brings us back to our central question, when will this be over? That very same model says at the beginning of June, the state should be well on its way to the road to recovery from COVID-19. The deaths are expected to drop between 1 to 2% every day in the state, and by June 9, there are predicted to be no deaths in the state. So, what do you think of these predictions? Let me know in that comment section down below. And as always, internet, press that like button if you liked it, favorite if you really liked it. Go ahead and share this video with a friend who you think needs both the information and the context. But as always, internet, my name is Joseph. Please stay inside, and this has been AJC in Context.